Hi everybody, welcome back. Today for you we are doing a Mother's Day collab with my wonderful friends at the Geeks Beauties community. So I have my daughter here, Stacy, and we are going to do a little bit of palette bingo. Make sure, of course, that you open up that description box down below. Check out all of the other ladies who are participating in this collaboration. Also down below, there will be a link for the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group page so that if you would like to join, you can go ahead and do that. But without further ado, let's get into this. So we're going to do a little bit of palette bingo with a little bit of a twist. Emily Noel 83 was the originator of the palette bingo sensation, and she actually just did an updated version with Jen Love's reviews. I highly recommend you check that out. It was hysterical. So what we're doing for you today here is we have got 5 palettes that we have both picked out. We're both holding 4. This is our free space palette. And so what we're going to do is random number generator. We've already labeled our palettes B, I, N, G, and O, and we're going to get our numbers. And then we have to create an eye look using all of the shadows. So here we go. Palette 1. I'm doing the Milani Everyday Eyes in Must Have Metallics.
Subculture.
There we go.
It's my fave.
So
B14. Don't pick 14.
That's a good color, though. I could do Rowdy.
To start with it?
You don't have to do them in that order.
Okay.
You just have to use all of the shadows.
It would be more fun if we did them in order, though.
No. Just
That'd
you
be
have
a
to use,
lot more fun, though, if we did them in order.
We're just using all the shadows.
But
7.
that'd be funny.
Axis.
Yeah.
Yes. 1. Safe color. Palette number I. So palette I. Anastasia Prism.
Dream Street by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop.
12.
At least it's going to look good with the other one.
Actually, it will.
Dang it. I regret everything.
Better quit throwing hate on my shades.
Safe palette.
Hold on. 14. Generate. Number 2. Yes. I got Eden. We go to palette N. Palette N is our what we're calling our free space palette. If you've ever played Bingo, I love bingo. So this one has 35.
Yes.
Now here we can make a rule. Do we want to have to use the same shade, or do we each want to be able to pick a shade?
It'd be more fun if we used the
Same shade? I thought so too. Go. 17. Oh, good God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's like a copper.
Can I change my answer?
Nope. Next up, palette G. Tartlet and Bloom. We both went with safe palette.
Soft Glam.
Number 6. Bronze. That's pretty darn shimmery. Okay.
I haven't gotten a single transition shade. Just one.
You haven't.
They're all shimmer.
They are. Okay, I have 12. So generate. I got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Sweetheart.
You're cheating.
Oh my God. That's
You're
like, yeah, I'm so cheating using Sweetheart. I use this transition color for everything. Last palette up, number O. Tartlet Rainforest of the Sea.
This is
Make Believe in Yourself, even worse. And Too Faced White Chocolate. 7. What's 7?
Another blue, so I guess
That's a blue.
I use my contour palette.
Okay, how many do I have in here? 14, 16? 16. 16 shadows in this palette. Generate. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes!
The one color I was so terrified to flip and get. This darn lavender cake that doesn't hardly show up on me as it is. It's chalky as ever.
I got 3 blues.
Dang.
I don't want to hear.
Yeah, but I would not have minded like an awesome blue across my lid. So that's what we have to work with. We can use the shadows in however order we want to. The point is we have to use all of the shadows we picked. So that's you, that's me. Let's work this. Okay, so I need something to sit and go everywhere. I didn't get, what the heck mats did I get?
Lavender cake.
Huh.
And Eden.
Which was it? Okay, this was my number 1. What color did I start? What color? 1. Oh yeah, see that's really pretty though. It's shimmery though.
I mean, is it bad if you just use your face powder?
I'm gonna
That's what I
use,
did.
nope, I'm gonna use Sweetheart. Because it's light enough that I can make this work.
Going in with Access just because we're going to get this going.
You gonna get this going?
Yep. Do you do both eyes at the same time or do you one and the other? I never really pay attention, I'll be honest.
I do both at the same time. Because I can pretty much figure out where I'm going. Mine is completely safe. This is pretty awesome. So I'm going to take Eden, which is this shade.
I'm blending blue eyeshadow on my face.
There went my Milani.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Surgery! Call the surgeon!
No, it's not that bad.
Okay.
It's that gold. It's that gold shade number 2. It's really kind of chunky. It's best if you foil it because it's so super chunky. So my shade number 2 here is Eden from the Prism Palette.
I was not going to be careful with this because it's blue and you can't be careful with blue when you have no transition color.
No, you can't. You kind of can't. Though you could have used that on your lower lash line, you know.
I'm going to use the other color on my lower lash.
What, the glitter one?
Suck it.
Yeah, but you know what? I got a whole bunch of like pinkies, except for that dang lavender cake.
You could have just used that as your transition shade and get it out of the way. Though.
No, I'm going to use it for inner corner highlight.
Okay.
Yeah,
we've got 5 shadows and 3 of mine are blue.
Yeah.
Let me put that on my I don't know.
You could ombre or halo the look. There's lots you can do. I could have done a lot with your color picks.
How about we trade?
Nope. I've already used 2. I'm going on to shade number 3 now, which is 17 from the Jaclyn Hill palette, which they all flippin' look identical just about. That's the shade right here.
Need a smaller brush. Wrong palette.
Well, I can work this in the outer corner some.
What if you can't see this eyeshadow?
Which one?
Mermaid Boy from the ColourPop one.
Oh, I love Mermaid Boy.
It's on there.
No, I see it. I can see it just fine.
I'd say it's on there.
I love Mermaid Boy. That's a good color.
I'm going to put that other blue on top of it. From the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself.
So I'm going to kind of try and deepen my outer corner a little with this shimmer. Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
1, 2,
No,
3,
you got
4,
7.
5. Huh?
That was 7.
Oh.
6 is G. This is your O palette. G is your
I got
soft glam.
Mystic.
Yes.
It's a pretty blue color. I'm scared.
Just pop it right in the middle. It's, you know what though, it probably work better if you foil it a little. How did this happen? Like I got all red tones and you got like all blue tones.
I guess it's just my eyes.
And it's also funny because like your favorite color is blue and mine's pink. So, and that's in the red family. That's kind of funny how that worked out. No, I'm actually not as happy with mine because I was hoping to get like some fun pop of color in here, and I'm working with colors that are a little bit harder to use to get a fun pop. I'm going to take
this brush is so useful for this.
My B palette was the Milani Everyday Eyes, and it's this first shade right here, this big. It's kind of like a really pretty champagne color. I'm going to take that and sweep that across the lid.
You can't even see Mermaid Boy, and I kind of feel bad for him because he was cute.
Let me see.
He's there. He's underneath Mystic, but he's there.
My, that's blue.
I had all blues. I can't help it.
Why are you only doing one eye at a time?
Because I didn't know. No, I normally do both, but I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do. What am I going to do? I have a bunch of blues.
Well, you gotta, what were you going to do? One, if it didn't turn out right, do something else on the other?
Maybe. Two-tone eye, man. Two-tone.
Okay. I think I'm going to take a little bit of that and take this up here. I'm almost done.
I am not.
Now, I'm going to go in with the Sephora 12-Hour Waterproof Eyes Contour Gel Pencil in the shade Love Affair.
Since when has this eyeshadow ever been shimmery?
And I'm going to hit the lower lash line with that. I'm going to go back into Eden. And I'm going to smudge this liner out a little with that. There was a squirrel in the tree once again.
I believe it.
I'm going to go into the Jaclyn Hill palette again. I am going to take our shade. I'm going to try and
it has all the names on the back, but I wish it was like underneath the eyeshadows.
Yeah, I hate that
I
you
hate
have
how
to flip over. just print the names on there. You know that's what we want. It can't cost that much more. But gosh, the thing is big and bulky. I mean, you have to have some space and just lay it down.
It kind of bothers me because everyone's like, oh, it's a great travel palette. And, like, I took it traveling. I had to carry an extra bag just to carry the palette.
A lot of these colors I think I could find in other places that I obviously already have, you know. But I have a lot of makeup. So, but for somebody who doesn't, and it's very affordable.
No, I had it on my finger.
You had what on your finger? Oh, it'll be all right.
Where's my... What, are you done?
I mean, that's an everyday look for me.
Yeah, totally. Same for me. Can't you tell?
Totally everyday. No, I need to brush up on my French bad. I only ever took 1 year of it, so I don't do too bad for 1 year.
I took 5.
Yes, I know you took 5.
Took 1 in college and 4 in high school. We should play lipstick roulette next, where we have to pick one of the thousands of lipsticks that you own.
Why are you hating on my lipstick collection?
Saying I own like maybe 20, and for me that's really excessive. What color?
I don't have that many. You act like I have like hundreds or something.
You have over 150. So yes, you do have hundreds possibly.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't count them. What would be significant of me counting them? Then I would know what the number is.
It's called admitting you have a problem. Isn't that the first step?
I never said I didn't have a problem with lippies. The problem is I don't have them all.
I'm going to put on magnetic eyelashes.
Have fun. I think I might go, what about Dionysus for the lips?
I don't know.
Let's kick it up a notch.
What should I do? Should I do something crazy?
No, I would go nude. Why not? Help tie it all together and take a nude. I would.
How would you tie this together?
Nude or red. Because red is basically nude. Like,
I look like a drag queen on crack.
Well, you don't have to be on crack, but you definitely drag queen-esque.
Should I cut my cheeks a little more?
No, don't cut your cheeks anymore. They're cut enough. And so this is it. This is our finished look, playing along with the palette bingo for Mother's Day. I totally encourage you to do this either with your daughter or with your mom or by yourself. Please let me know when you do so that I can see your video and see the looks that you came up with. Mine was pretty safe. I got all of the like modern Renaissance-esque colors, and so for me that was like a pretty simple eye look to put together. Yours definitely more challenging, but you did pull it off since you picked every blue color in the palette. The random number generator was throwing you some serious shade today.
I'm never doing this challenge again.
I thought it was a lot of fun. I will definitely probably be playing
I'm only picking wormtail palettes
So-
now.
I am definitely going to be playing some palette bingo again in the future because this was a lot of fun.
Thank you, Subculture, for saving this entire look because it could have been worse.
Yeah, and thank you, Two Face, for skunking me with that dang lavender cake color. Once again, I want to thank you, of course, for spending a little bit of your time with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Don't forget to open up that description box down below so that you can check out all of the other ladies who are participating in this collab. And as always, before you leave, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You definitely don't want to miss out on any videos that I have coming up. Everybody, happy Mother's Day, whether you have little people or little four-legged people. And I will see you all next time. Bye-bye. You taking the lashes back off that quick?
Because I'm taking this makeup off, yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm just going to walk around with blue eyes all night with a purple shirt on. Do I look like an idiot?
Sounds like a fun day to me.
We were always one for the breakaway, but we're nearing chances to wake the day.